So hi Rasha, hi Vedang. You guys looking stunning tonight.
Thank
So
you
I
so
just
much.
have a couple of questions around your fashion choices. Should we start?
Yes.
Yeah. So Rasha, if you had to describe your style in 3 words, what would it be?
Comfortable, chic, yet trendy.
Okay. Vedang, what is your biggest shopping weakness? Shoes, bags, or clothes?
Shoes, bags, or clothes? I think shoes. Yeah, that's where I like can't control myself.
Right. One thing from your mom's wardrobe that would like to steal forever.
I steal everything. So she doesn't. It's my wardrobe. It's not.
Perfect, like something.
Her sunglasses that she has and her belts from the 90s. Oh my god, stunning.
One fashion rule that you would never break, no matter what.
Skinny jeans.
Oh.
Those days are gone.
So do you still practice it?
Not at all. Not at all. Not at all. But I used to in college and all. I used to when I thought it was really cool. But now I can't even look at myself wearing that. Yeah.
Maybe capris. Not into capris so much, but yeah.
Okay. One style that you learned the hard way and you never skip it on red carpet or photo shoots or your projects.
So one style like error that I discovered.
Yeah.
I think when your pants are not tailored, like when they're a bit too long or when they're a bit too big, or they don't fit well from the waist and you don't have a belt, stuff like that. I think really well tailored pants is the way to go. So I make sure now that that's the case.
Okay.
I think to add on to him, just anything you're not comfortable in because it shows. So you'd rather just be confident in whatever you're wearing.
Right. And which like a fashion rule that one piece of Aldo that you would always pick for yourself in your daily lifestyle?
Honestly, everything. But
Yeah.
I love the shoes. So maybe their loafers, their sneakers. What I'm wearing today is really nice, really comfortable. I don't think the camera can catch it, but I really love their sneakers.
Even I don't think I can pick, but there are really cute bags from the new collection, and yeah, I love to try all of them out.
Okay. If you could bring back one 90s or 2000 trend to make it cool again, which would it be?
It's a tough one.
Can I
90s
just speak
style.
for both of us and say that they were way cooler than us? So I think we have to try and be as cool as them. Yeah, I think
The
I.
90s, right? Yeah, 90s was something else. Even for
Yeah.
Bollywood, it was a different time. What I'd like to bring back, I mean, the fashion was, I don't know if it's my style, but if that comes back, I'd appreciate it. I think it could look really cool. I feel like there was a lot of energy and spunk then that we're missing now.
I agree.
Okay. Which fictional character's wardrobe you would like to, take?
Fictional character. Fictional characters, James Bond. Yeah.
I'm just gonna say Shania again, but yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank
It had a
you.
great time talking to you.
Thank you so
All the
much.
best. Thank you.